So I hope I'm supposed to take this out of here. Oh no. Ooh, Gatling guns. That's crit, bro. Take it. Love it. Jesus. Look at me dance. You missed me. Oh, another level up. I should have looked at that. Let's see who's level up here in the store. Oh, there, Tiffany's. Oh, cutscene. Nice. I guess dialogue or something. Cutscene. Jesse said we all have to push the button at once. Let's push it. I didn't push it. Ah, fuck, I fucked up. Ah, so that was I almost got it. Look at that synchronization! Fucking epic. Now join me. Yes, okay, let's go. Say what? I love these segments. Can I, is this like... Yes. You can use tents as save points, I thought so. I had a feeling it was going to be like that, I just wasn't 100% sure. Oh, God, a bunch of dogs. I have my worst fucking nightmare right here. You can't be missing. These things attack so many times. Punch, punch. Got him. Out of the drain. Out of the drain. Shot out. Yeah, one more. Oh, two more cats. Dude, I honestly times in a row. Well, level up. Tiff is just soaring up with us. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bust out my 10. Nice. Sit that bad boy up. I know, shut up. Ah. That was like an elevator or something. It looked like it was closed off. Elevator. Where am I going? Good. I was like, where am I going? Oh, they'll tell me. This way. Y'all want to fight? Shit, my soldiers. the hell's going on? A trap. Oh, duh. Oh. Oh! You go into my factory, and you fuck with my shit. Why is the president here? So you all must be... what was it? Avalanche! And don't you forget it! So you're President Shinra, huh? Long time no see, sir. Long time no see. Oh, you're the one who was a soldier and joined Avalanche. I knew you'd been exposed to tobacco from the look in your eyes. Tell me, traitor, what was your name? Cloud, bitch. Forgive me for asking, but I can't be expected to remember everyone's name. Unless you become another Sephiroth. Ah, Sephiroth. He was brilliant, perhaps too brilliant. Sephiroth? Don't give a damn about none of that. This place is kinda going up with a bang soon, so you're alright. It's such a waste of good fireworks just to get rid of vermin like you. Vermin? That's all you can say, vermin? Shinra the vermin for killing the planet. Guess that'd make you King Vermin, so shut up, jackass. You're beginning to bore me. I'm a very busy man, so if you excuse me, I have a dinner I must attend. Dinner? Don't give me that. I ain't even started with you yet. But I have made arrangements for a playmate for you all. Oh, he snapped his fingers. What's that noise? What the hell is that? Whoa! Playmate. Meet Airbuster, a techno-soldier our weapon development department created him. I'm sure the data he'll extract from your dead bodies will be of great use to us in future experiments. Techno-soldier? Oh, what is that? What the fuck is that? Now then, if you'll excuse me. Wait, President! How the fuck did they get a fucking helicopter in this place? Yo, Cloud, we gotta do something about him. Whoa! Help, Cloud! This is from Soldier. No way, it's just a machine. I don't care what it is, I'm gonna bust him up. Let's see if Thunder will fuck this guy up. Oh, he counterattacks, that's not good. Big Brahma! Oh, 100! God damn, dude. How am I supposed to beat this guy? Boom! That guy's counterattacking. You're first up. Wow. Look at you! Braver! Yeah! Oh, whoa! Back attack. Limit break. Just fuck with this guy. Damn, that was epic. Just fucking like one-shot the boss. That was beautiful. Let's go. What's going on? Everything quiet. Oh. Whoa, Cloud. Be careful, man. Who are you fucking around like that? It's gonna blow. Let's go, Tifa. Barret, can't you do something? Ah, damn dang. Cloud, please don't die. You can't die. There's still so much I want to tell you. I know, Tifa. Yeah, you can be right. I'm stronger than fuck. You're by yourselves. I'm alright. But take care of Tifa. Alright, sorry about all this. Stop talking. I think this is the end. Okay, hold on. You alright? Can you hear me? Nobody can read you. Yeah. Back then, I only got scraped knees. What? What do you mean by back then? What about now? Can you get up? What do you mean by back then? What about now? Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself now. I'll try. Oh, it moved. How about that? Take it slow now, little by little. Hello, hello. Oh, fuck. I skipped shit. Hey, who are you? Hello, hello. Oh! Hello, flower girl. So nice to meet you in this church that so clearly wasn't having children. You okay? This is a church in the Sector 5 slums. You just fell from above. You really gave me a scare. I came crashing down? The roof and the floor bed must have broken your fall. You're lucky. Yeah, I just smashed through a roof and a flower bed. Oh yeah, the roof broke my fall. Don't worry, I'm good. Flower bed, is this yours? Sorry about that. That's alright. The flowers here are quite resilient because this is a sacred place. They say grass and flowers won't grow in Midgar, but for some reason they have no trouble blooming here. I love it here. It's good. Oh, I can move now. Okay, I'm just gonna talk to you. So we meet again. Let me look away. In shame. Don't you remember me? Yeah, I remember you. You're Flower Girl. You're that drunk chick that I met out that one night. No, that's not you. Oh, I'm so happy. Thanks for buying my flowers. Hey, you want me to buy some more? I'll buy some more. Say, do you have any material? Yes, some. Nowadays, you can find material anywhere. But mine is special. It's good for absolutely nothing. Clever. Good for nothing. You just don't know how to use it. No, I do. It just doesn't do anything. I feel safe just having it. It was my mother's. Oh. I know that. Say, I feel like talking. Do you feel up to it? No. After all, we are meeting again. This is sucking so much. Yeah, I don't fucking mind. God damn it. Wait here. I've got to check my flowers. It'll be just a minute. Yeah, it'll be just a minute, alright? For fuck's sake. You never realize how much you care about games with voice acting until you start doing a walkthrough of it, and you have like hundreds of fucking dialogue bubbles to read, and your throat's like, "Fuck, kill me." Are you coming, bitch, or do I walk out? Oh man. Oh. I thought you mentioned it. We don't know each other's names, do we? My name is Aries. There you go. I'm Aries, the flower girl. Nice to meet you. Cloud. The name's Cloud. Who the fuck are you? Get the hell out of here! Yes, me, I do a little bit of everything. Oh, a jack of all trades. Yeah, I do whatever is needed. What's so funny? What are you laughing at? Who is that person? Sorry, I just... Can I help you? Can I help you? Cloud, don't let it get to you. Don't let it get to me. This guy be ear hustling. Don't mind me. Douchebag. Am I talking to you more? Am I... Say, Cloud, have you ever been a bodyguard? You can do anything, right? I'll guard your body. Yeah, that's right. Then get me out of here. Take me home. Okay, but it'll cost you. Okay, then let's see. How about if I go out with you once? Oh, that sounds like good payment there.